Yeah, you speak from where you are.
Nimesikiza kwa makini the various things that have been spoken about. Let me just go through them very quickly. There was the talk of the master plan, and they're providing a second attraction, another airport, and also Takaumbu. Those are very well noted. I'll go and visit that Takaumbu and see how far it is from here, because we can get ships docking from there. And also looking at the airport, we have plans for this airport. People have talked about plans for it for so many. Lolo, I don't want to talk about it until I know for sure, because mimi nikiongea inafanyika. For those who don't know, I was the first governor of Machakos, served for 2 terms. I was the first government spokesperson of this Republic of Kenya, served for another 2 terms with President Mwai Kibaki. So I'm more action-oriented than just giving empty promises. And I think that's better.
We have a very big problem with the environment and waste management structure in this sub-county. And it is a problem that is affecting even the tourists, because what they see when they come is how our wastes are not properly managed and how we don't have a proper structure for that. Another thing is on training the SMEs and the young people on how to compete for the opportunities on the platform, on the international platforms for tourism opportunities.
Totally agree about marketing. You know, people don't know. We don't talk about some of these things. So one of the things that I'm doing, I'm going to all the 47 counties to map up new circuits. So we will be doing a different type of marketing. And you'll see a lot of push for marketing all over the world. We want to get everybody coming here, and especially looking at the African market.
After a very consultative meeting with the Minister of Tourism and Wildlife, we came to a point where the government and the local entrepreneurs have come and found a common ground.